Hey, if you want to customize your quick panel on the Samsung Galaxy Watch FE, for sure you can do this, but I will highly recommend you to open the Galaxy wearable application because everything will be bigger, more visible to you, and you will be able to do this much easier. So go into the quick panel, and now as you can see we got first screen, second screen, and the third screen. So if you want to reorder, just touch and hold the icon that you want to remove or replace. Let's say that I want to get, for example, the flashlight on the first page. So I have to click and hold it and then drag here. Let's do this one more time. Click and hold it, then drag, wait until the screen change, and now put it wherever you want. For example, here. I'm gonna actually remove the sleep mode, the turn off settings, do not disturb mode, always on display. I'm gonna stay with the sound mode, brightness, power saving mode, volume. I'm gonna get rid of the Wi-Fi, and I'm gonna stay with the water lock. And I'm also going to get rid of the theater mode, the Bluetooth audio, and the airplane mode. There we go. And also I would like to apply there the NFC, which will be available here. And now I can click save and take a look. Now it looks different. We've got few icons. I mean, we removed just few icons. Now everything I've got in my fingertips and I can quickly tap on it. So this is it for this video right now. Please subscribe to my channel.